whatever this is. My guess is motherboard. It is a motherboard. I think this is for that kid's computer. We can stop calling and asking. Yeah. All right, let's get this going. This is part 2 after the kid ripped the computer's been here the whole time. Ripped the PCI header right off of the motherboard. Let's get everything moved over. Like, I'm just so, like, confused how this kid did this. He managed it somehow, though. What's going on, Jake? Had a cake? Nope. Not building the Death Star. Just replacing the motherboard and the computer. After the owner, who's like a 10-year-old kid, decided that he wanted to rip some parts off of his motherboard because he was being impatient. How are you doing today? Yep. 10-year-old kid did this. So this is the new motherboard, this is the old motherboard. You see this connector? Strangely missing right here. Alright, so that's all together, and this is going back into here. That is exactly what he did. How he accomplished that, I have no idea. But it's what he did. Alright, let's power it up and see if she works. Ooh, that's bright. Right now I'm not getting anything out of this thing, so... Hope this motherboard isn't dead. Hey there, Editing Chris here. Going through this video, finishing up the edit. This is a part 2, even though part 1 is a completely separate video. I realized while I was editing this that I never really explained what happened here. So thanks to one of my chat members, Tech Life More, he kind of pointed out that the CPU that I was putting in there needed to have a BIOS update done before it would read the CPU. So that's kind of what you see me doing here. I run up to my front counter. I have a different processor I put in there. I flash the BIOS and then I swap their CPU back in, and everything works. So that's what happens at the end of this video. So on to the outro. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.